Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to be here to release this month's class to go featuring the beautiful Fragrant Flowers bundle from the January to April mini catalog. You can find it on page 21 of the mini catalog, and it has some coordinating DSP in the celebration brochure, the 2023 celebration brochure. You can find that DSP on page 11, and I'll share a little bit more about it in a minute. But this month's class to go is open until February 15th, so it's a relatively quick turnaround, and there are several different options for you. So there's an option for everyone. First of all, option number one is $45 plus $5 shipping. I can ship anywhere in Canada, or there is, if you're local to me, there is free pickup. And what you'll receive is you'll receive half a package of this beautiful DSP. Now, one side is florally and then the back side is geometric. Before I flip it over and show you the back patterns, I wanted to share that the dies actually cut out some of the images that are in here as well. So on this particular patterned paper, these two dies will cut out these images. All right, so it's very handy to have the dies that coordinate. And then here's the back side. So as part of option number one, you'll receive half a package of this. Now, just to note, if I do need to ship it to you, it will be cut down to 6 by 12. All right. The other things that you'll receive is you'll receive half a package of the opaque adhesive back gems, which we'll be using in class. You'll receive not half a package, a full package, sorry. A full package of the dragonfly trinkets and a full spool of the fresh freesia ribbon. So you get a ton of products in this. Not only will you receive all of these products, but you'll receive the pre-cut card kits to make 6 different cards that Laura and I designed for you, and an emailed PDF with a full supply list, links to the videos, measurements in case you want to recreate more of any of these cards, and that will be emailed to you. All right, now option number 2. This option is great for you if you do not already own the Fragrant Flowers bundle. So if you spend $89.50 through my online store before shipping and taxes using the class host code, which I will link in the description below, I will send you the pre-cut card kits and a spool of the fresh freesia ribbon for free. Okay, so the reason for $89.50 is I'm going to give you a suggested list of supplies that you should order or make sure that you have on hand. But of course, you can choose any product whatsoever. So if your wish list is really long, you already own this bundle, this might be the best option for you as well. Okay, so the $89.50 includes the Fragrant Flowers bundle. And I do want to point out something for this. This is one of the stamp sets where you can choose either clear mount as a stamp set or photopolymer as a stamp set. Okay, so the C means that it's clear mount and the P means that it's photopolymer. Okay, and the price is the same, and you do still get a bundle. Okay, so that, as well as the opaque adhesive back gems and the dragonfly trinkets, totals $89.50. And if your free item, you can choose the DSP, and then I will send you this and you'll have everything that you need to complete the cards. All right. Now, option number 3, this is the tutorial only option. So if you live outside of Canada, because I cannot ship kits outside of Canada, you can either contact Laura Milligan and she can help you out, or you can purchase the tutorial, and I will link to where you can find the tutorial in the description below. Option number 4 is for treasure stampers. So demonstrators on my treasure stampers team can request the tutorial for free, or they can request the pre-cut card kits for $15. All right, and just reach out and contact me for that. And if you live in Canada and want to become a demonstrator or a member of our team, then I will link to where you can do so below as well. All right, now, are you ready to see a little peek at the cards? I'm gonna do a quick little flip through. We've got this fun one. We've got this. So we've got a fun fold. There's a new technique. There's a little bit of embossing. So 6 beautiful cards featuring this Fragrant Flowers bundle. All right, so remember, registration closes February 15th. I'd love to see you in class. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.